Selling products online in Kenya has become one of the most powerful ways for ordinary people to build income and create financial freedom. Over the past few years, the country has seen a strong rise in internet usage, smartphone ownership, and mobile money payments. This has opened the door for many people, including students, employees, and small business owners, to start selling online with very little money. What makes Kenya special is how easy it is to receive payments through mobile money, especially through MPESA, which is trusted by millions of people every day. This means you do not need a physical shop to start a business. You can sell directly from your home using your phone. When you decide to start selling online, the first important step is choosing the right product. This decision can determine whether your business will succeed or struggle. In Kenya, some products sell faster than others because of demand, trends, and affordability. For example, clothing is always in demand because people need new outfits for different occasions. Beauty products like skincare items, wigs, and cosmetics are also very popular, especially among young people. Electronics such as earphones, smartwatches, and phone accessories move quickly because many people use smartphones daily. Household items like kitchen tools and home decor are also doing well because more people are improving their living spaces. The key is to start with a product that people already want, instead of trying to convince people to buy something new. Once you choose your product, the next step is to understand your target customers. You need to know who you are selling to. Are they young people, working professionals, parents, or students? Knowing your audience helps you decide how to price your products and how to market them. For example, if you are selling trendy clothes to young people, you will need attractive photos and active social media pages. If your customers are professionals, they may care more about quality and reliability than price. Understanding your customers also helps you communicate better and build trust. After identifying your product and customers, you need to decide where to sell your products online. In Kenya, many people start with social media platforms because they are free and easy to use. WhatsApp Business is one of the most powerful tools because it allows you to talk directly to customers. You can post your products on your status, create broadcast lists, and respond to customer questions quickly. Instagram and Facebook are also very effective for reaching more people. You can post pictures, videos, and even run advertisements to attract customers. TikTok is growing very fast and is becoming one of the best ways to promote products through short videos. Online marketplaces are another option. Platforms like Jumia, Kilimall, and Jiji already have many customers visiting them every day. This means you do not have to spend too much effort looking for customers. However, these platforms may charge fees or commissions, so you need to include those costs when pricing your products. For those who want to build a long-term brand, creating a website is a great step. A website gives your business a professional look and builds trust. The cost of creating a basic website in Kenya can range from 15,000 Kenya shillings to 45,000 Kenya shillings, while more advanced websites can cost over 50,000 Kenya shillings. Although this may seem expensive at the beginning, it can be a good investment for the future. Payment is one of the most important parts of selling online in Kenya. Most customers prefer paying through MPESA because it is fast, safe, and convenient. As a seller, you can start with a simple MPESA till number, which is easy to set up and works well for small businesses. As your business grows, you may consider getting a payable number, which is more suitable for larger transactions and better record keeping. Some businesses also use payment gateways that allow customers to pay using cards or bank transfers. These payment options make your business look more professional and can attract more customers. Delivery is another key factor that can determine your success. Customers expect their products to arrive quickly and in good condition. In major towns like Nairobi, delivery can be done using motorbike riders, and the cost usually ranges from 150 Kenya shillings to 500 Kenya shillings depending on distance. For customers outside major towns, courier services can deliver products across the country. Some businesses also use pickup stations where customers can collect their orders at a lower cost. Offering flexible delivery options can help you attract more customers and improve customer satisfaction. Marketing is what brings customers to your business. Without marketing, even the best products will not sell. One of the most effective ways to market in Kenya is through WhatsApp. Posting regularly on your status keeps your products visible to your contacts. Facebook and Instagram advertisements allow you to target specific groups of people based on their interests, age, and location. Influencer marketing is also growing fast, where you partner with popular content creators to promote your products. Short videos are especially powerful because they can reach many people in a short time. Search engine optimization, also known as SEO, helps your website appear on search engines when people look for products online. This can bring free traffic to your business. Customer service plays a big role in online selling. Since customers cannot see you physically, they rely on how you communicate. Responding quickly to messages, being polite, and providing clear information can build trust. Happy customers are more likely to buy again and recommend your business to others. Negative experiences, on the other hand, can damage your reputation quickly. Always aim to solve customer problems and keep your promises. As your business grows, you need to think about scaling. Scaling means increasing your sales and expanding your operations. One way to do this is by adding more products that are related to what you already sell. For example, if you sell clothes, you can add shoes or accessories. You can also invest in advertising to reach more people. Automation tools can help you manage orders, track inventory, and respond to customers more efficiently. Building a strong brand with a logo, good packaging, and consistent messaging can also help your business stand out. There are common mistakes that many beginners make when starting to sell online. One mistake is using poor quality photos. Customers depend on images to decide whether to buy, so your photos need to be clear and attractive. Another mistake is overpricing products without offering extra value. Customers will compare prices, so you need to be competitive. Some sellers also fail to plan their delivery process, which leads to delays and unhappy customers. Not reinvesting profits is another mistake. To grow your business, you need to put some money back into stock, marketing, and improvements. The amount of money you can make from selling online in Kenya depends on your effort, product, and strategy. Beginners can make between 5,000 Kenya shillings and 30,000 Kenya shillings per month. With more experience and better marketing, this can grow to between 50,000 Kenya shillings and 150,000 Kenya shillings per month. Advanced sellers who have built strong brands and systems can earn over 200,000 Kenya shillings per month. Many people start as a side hustle and later turn their online business into a full-time job. One of the biggest advantages of selling online is flexibility. You can work from anywhere and choose your own schedule. This is especially helpful for students and people with full-time jobs. However, success requires consistency and patience. You may not see results immediately, but with time and effort, your business can grow. Technology is also playing a bigger role in online selling. Many businesses are now using tools that help automate communication, manage orders, and analyze customer behavior. Artificial intelligence tools can help create product descriptions, generate marketing ideas, and even respond to customer questions. These tools can save time and improve efficiency, especially as your business grows. Building trust is very important in online selling. Since customers cannot physically see your shop, they rely on your reputation. You can build trust by sharing real customer reviews, posting clear product photos, and being honest about your products. Offering return policies or guarantees can also make customers feel more confident when buying from you. Another important factor is pricing. You need to set prices that cover your costs and still give you profit. Your costs include buying the product, delivery, packaging, and marketing. After calculating your costs, you can add a profit margin. It is important to research what other sellers are charging so that your prices remain competitive. Packaging may seem like a small detail, but it can have a big impact. Good packaging protects your product and creates a positive impression. Customers appreciate neat and secure packaging, and it can even encourage them to share your product on social media. This can give you free marketing. Networking is also helpful when growing your online business. Connecting with other sellers can help you learn new ideas and find suppliers. You can join online groups and communities where people share experiences and tips. Learning from others can help you avoid mistakes and grow faster. Consistency is one of the most important qualities for success. Posting regularly, responding to customers, and improving your business every day can make a big difference. Even when sales are slow, staying consistent can help you build momentum over time. In the end, selling products online in Kenya is not just about making money. It is about creating opportunities and building something that can grow over time. With the right product, good marketing, reliable delivery, and strong customer service, anyone can succeed. The journey may have challenges, but it also offers great rewards for those who are willing to learn and stay committed. Your online business can start small, but with effort and smart decisions, it can become a strong and successful source of income.